Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the PowerWash simulator game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box, and now you can type in PowerWash simulator to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button if you wish to play the demo version before purchasing the full game. In order to buy the game, click on Add to Cart alongside your preferred bundle or edition, and you can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After entering your credentials as well as your billing information, you can complete the payment, and then the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the PowerWash simulator game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the PowerWash simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.